You know, we know it, now you know it. Tyler Simpson put you in good hands with Allstate. And Tyler, insurance, end of the year, first of the new year, do we need to sit down and have a little review with you over what our coverage is?
It's that time, yep. It's tax time. It's time to pull all the papers out, see what we've got. You know, it's time to have our good hands review and sit down and go through what we need covered, what we don't need covered, make sure you're getting all the discounts you're supposed to get. So yeah, it's definitely that time of year.
I like the name of it. What actually do you do in a good hands review, and how long does that take?
Well, it really depends on you. I mean, we'll sit and answer all the questions you have. So we'll take as much time as we need to make sure it's covered.
Okay.
But we go through the discounts. We make sure you're getting all the discounts that are applicable to you and your policy, and that we're not missing anything. We go through the coverages. We'll kind of go through your assets and see, you know, what do we have, what do we need to cover, who do we need to cover, and make sure that we've got the correct coverages for what you need.
Now, a lot of us have new drivers that are getting permits and stuff. So the second you go and you get your permit, you need to be covered like that day. Like, how does that work?
Well, that's a great question. So when you take the written test, okay, and they're going to ride with somebody else in the car, they don't have to be on the policy.
They don't.
The day they can drive by themselves legally at any point,
they got to be covered.
They got to be covered. They got to be on the policy. So that's
is that a question you ask if they don't come in and say, well, Tyler, we've got a new driver?
We do.
Is that one of your Q&As?
Yeah, that's one of our Q's. Yes, and that's
Yeah.
one of the reasons we do the reviews. We call you in because you need to sit down and review this stuff. We need to sit down and make sure we've got everybody covered, all the cars that are covered, you know, and that kind of thing.
Because if Will's driving with me and he just has, you know, I'm in there, let's say, God forbid, he hits something, but I'm with him, is it my insurance that covers it since he's...
Well, whoever he's in the car with.
Yeah.
So we always encourage, you know, let's don't let our children ride with Aunt Sally.
Right.
You know, even though Aunt Sally's cool and we like Aunt Sally.
Right.
But Aunt Sally may not want to be responsible if Will runs into the back of, you know,
Uncle Bobby's car,
Yep. So we want to make sure that whoever they're in the car with, no matter what the relationship, that's who is responsible. If Will, you know, hurt somebody or tears a car up or something like that.
Okay. So. That's stuff you don't start thinking about until I'm like, oh wait, you're not covered yet, but you're not really driving. Oh, how does that work? Like we got to practice. So.
But our message is not just to people with your insurance. It's to people with other insurance companies that maybe want to see what you got.
Absolutely.
Oh, you can do like a little like this.
We'll do a good hands review for anybody. So you need to review your insurance. Now, ultimately, we would like you to be with Allstate, and that would be great. But most insurance companies do not do this. Very few people that I talk to when I approach them about insurance and I say, "When's the last time you reviewed your insurance?" They generally say, "When I got it."
Right.
You know, is the last time I talked. And most people don't want to talk to their insurance agent because generally that's bad. And I get it, I understand. But we need these coverages on ahead of time. So we need to make sure we've got replacement costs on the cars and not actual cash value. You know, we need to make sure maybe there's some kind of accident waiver. So if you do have an accident, your insurance rates aren't going to go through the roof. So those kind of things. We want to make sure those are on the policy beforehand, you know, before something happens.
Now, if you do these reviews, does that like cost you money? Is it going to be more money to the?
No, that's a great question. Typically, when people do the reviews, we do find discounts. So typically, your rate goes down, or we'll apply more coverage for the same rate. Rarely do people leave our office paying more money for their insurance.
Very nice. Well, that's good courtesy. That speaks highly of you.
Well, it you know, typically there's discounts that aren't on there that people are not aware that they're eligible for.
Right.
Well, but you know, the things, little extras like when they have to unlock the car because I left the keys in, does the insurance pay for that? I mean, there are little things in a policy that people may not even know are there, like rental cars.
Like rental car coverage. Most people have right now about $30 in rental car coverage per day because that's been what everybody's put on a policy for 20 years. Well, you can't rent a car for $30 anymore.
No.
Those days are over. So that's something we would add, you know, to make sure you're not paying extra money in the event of a claim.
All right, if this sounds good to you, you want to get that review, go ahead and give Tyler Simpson a call. You see the information right there on your screen, the Tyler Simpson Allstate Agency. We appreciate you, Tyler. Great tips always.
Thanks, buddy.
Absolutely.